everyone and welcome back to Post Network Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in this video we are going to solve some numerical problems based on normal distribution, especially from a data science and AI perspective. So basically a normal distribution is a continuous distribution and a random variable x follows normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square, and its PDF is 1 upon sigma under root 2 pi e raise x minus mu whole square upon 2 sigma square, where x lies between minus infinity to infinity. And basically if a random variable x is following normal distribution, so you will write like this. It has two parameters, mu, that is mean, and standard deviation sigma, or if it is sigma square, so that is variance. So based on probability density function, mean and variance, we will solve some problems. So without further delay, let's get started. So we have three questions. If x is following normal distribution with mean 10 and variance 25, then write down the PDF of x. The same way other two questions are given. So let us start. So here we are given x is following normal distribution. So simply PDF is given by how? So we will just plug. Here we have mean, we have plugged here 10, and here variance. So here 25 and here 25. So that is the PDF of the normal distribution, the x which is followed by x. Now let us see here normal distribution having parameters here mu 36 and variance 20. So again we will use PDF of normal distribution and just we will plug. So here mean is 36, so we have kept here, variance 20 here, just we will plug and we will find the PDF of normal distribution having these two parameters. And finally we are given x in which mean is 0 and variance is 2. So the PDF would be, see that here, because there is mean 0, so we will have this kind of distribution. So PDF is 1 upon under root 2 pi 2, actually it would be 4 pi, and this is the exponential e raised x square upon 2 into 2, that means 4. So this is the problem. These are the problems when you are given distribution and also parameters and you need to find out the PDF. Now let us see other kind of problems. And before proceeding, just understand effect of variance on the plot, and we will see that. So basically variance of a normal distribution that determines spread or width of the probability density function. So basically a larger variance means the distribution is spread out. That means if variance is high like this one, so that is high variance, compared to this one, low variance. So creates wide curves indicating that values of x are spread over a broader range. We will see that. And a smaller variance, that means distribution is more concentrated around the mean. So let us see in the plot. So here this is the normal distribution curve having variance 2. This is 25 and that is 20. So the more wider is this one. So basically variance determines the how much curve is spread. Now again let us see some questions. Write down the PDF of random variable x in the following case. We have mean and variance. So just plug the values and we will get. So here mean half, variance 4 upon 9, that will become standard deviation. Variance is 4 upon 9, standard deviation is 2 upon 3. Just plug the values and we will get this PDF, probability density function. Now plot it. So here plotted normal distribution. Now question number 2, write down the PDF of the random variable x, which is given that x is following, mean is minus 40 and variance is 16. That means standard deviation is 4. Now the PDF of a normal variable is given by, just plug the values. So here if we plug, so mean, here mean, here if you plug and solve, so finally you will get this one. Now if you plot, so variance is 16 and mean is minus 40, and if you plot the normal distribution you will get this one. Now let us see identifying parameters of normal distribution. So in this case PDF is already given. You need to identify mu and sigma square, and if you get sigma square, so you can also get sigma. So let us solve this one. Here you can observe that mu is 46 and variance is 36. Simply. So here just mu is 46 and that is the variance 36. So we can say that x is following normal distribution having mean 46 and variance 36. The same thing is given here. Write down this one. If you compare, you will get mean 46 and variance 36. Let us see the second question. For the second PDF we have here. So again just compare it with normal distribution. So if you compare, so here again mu, that is 60, and variance, that is 16. So let us see some more questions. So basically here we will get the mean and variance of the variable, the same question. So here if we compare here, so if you compare, so that portion is equal to this part, this means sigma is equal to 2, and this component, so if you compare, sigma square is equal to 4. So mu, there is not mu, so mu is 0 and variance is equal to 4 here if you compare. From here you can get. So the same question. Now let us see the second one. Here, just see, observe here. So here 2 mu square is equal to 4 because here 4 given. So sigma square is equal to 2 and mu is equal to also sigma square is equal to 2, mu is equal to also 2. That means mean is equal to 2, standard deviation is equal to under 2 and variance is equal to 2. So hope you understood. If you are more interested, you can visit website www.postnetwork.co, YouTube channel, Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and also you can visit GitHub repositories. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.